Yeah. Schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is
Tryna 69 like Takashi, call him Papi, worth the ASAP, keep me rocky. I'm from New York, so I'm cocky. Say he fucking with my posse, caught me Chloe like Kardashian. Keep this pussy in Versace, said I'm pretty like Tanashi. Put it all up in his face.
Hey guys, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be talking about this shade. Alright, so this hair has been freshly washed, and I blow dried it just so that I could hurry up and do it. But this is the color. I look crazy because it's not straightened out all the way. I just want to say, guys, when I wear closures, like, I customize the part, but I don't customize like here because I don't see the need to, because I never wear my hair like all back. Like, I always wear one.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
By the way, the hair dye that I used to achieve this color, well, the process, I'll tell you guys about the process. So I just went in and bleached the hair with 30 volume developer. And I left it on for probably like 45 minutes, and then I washed it off. I mean, I really don't do it for a time. I just wash the hair, and when I start seeing it get blonder, I just wash it out. And then I use the dye. It's the Ruby Kisses hair dye. I got it at the beauty supply store. It was right next to the Adore hair dye, and it was $3.99, and you got more hair dye for your money. Because Adore is also $3.99, but I think it was a difference of 2 ounces. And the color was called Red Velvet. And I really like it because it's a really dark burgundy. But what I like about it more is that I have different shades of burgundy going on. I'm sure you guys can see it. Because, like, I left some bleach on in places longer than others. And I didn't really, like, distribute it evenly. I don't know, I like when my dye jobs are kind of like messy. Okay guys, so I've officially straightened all of the hair, and the only thing that's left now is the closure, so I'm going to show you guys how I do that. Also, excuse this track, it is coming out, but we're going to ignore that because I don't feel like sewing it in right now. Go through and make sure that's laying flat. And it literally blends in wonderfully. It's not like flipping it. So all, like, you see the before, how you can see exactly the piece I just parted. Just use your hot comb. Hope you guys saw that. Let me zoom in.
Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Guys, so as you can see, it's laid there. It looks a little lumpy right here, but that's because of my braids on the bottom. I'm going to redo them and make them smaller another day because, yeah, I just don't feel like doing it right now. And I'm also, yeah, so this is the burgundy shade that I'm talking about, and I feel like this is the perfect, like, this is the perfect shade of red, burgundy, whatever you guys want to call it. For my skin tone, I'm going to try red. Definitely give that Ruby Kisses dye a try for $3.99. And one bottle dyed 3 bundles in this closure. And yeah, I just love it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.